Okay, we are looking at solving division problems without remainders using an area model. Let's look at our application problem. Okay, so on this problem it says, write an equation to find the unknown length of each rectangle. Then find the sum of the two unknown lengths. So you have two different problems here. The first one, we see the first rectangle says 40 square centimeters. And they've given us one side. Well, if it's squared, I know that they're talking about the area. So I know whatever this is times this is going to give me this number. So there's one way you could think about it. You could say 4 times what gives you 40. Or you could do this. You could say, well, I also know that 40 divided by, there's 4, should give me this other side, right? So that would be 10. You could also think of the multiplication. 4 times 10 gives you 40. So I know the length of that side is going to be 10. So now I got to figure out this other one. This one says it's 8 square centimeters. So that's the area. So this one's exactly as long as this other one. So I know this side is 4. So I have to think 4 times what gives me 8. Or you could say 8 divided by 4, which we know is 2. Okay, so we know that side is 2. So the question says, then find the sum of the two unknown lengths. So we found 10, we found 2. We're just going to add them together because that's the sum. So our sum is 12, and I see that it is centimeters. Okay, let's do this one. So this is a new problem. It says this rectangle is 80 square centimeters, and they've given me the length of one side again, which is 4. I'm trying to figure out this. So I'm saying 4 times what gives me 80, or I can do it like a division problem and say 80 divided by 4, which I know is 20. 4 goes into 8 2 times, and then I add my 0. And then I'm going to figure out this one. I know this side is 4, just like this one. And 16 square centimeters is a clue. It's the area. So I'm figuring out this side. So 4 times what gives me 16? I immediately know that 4 times 4 is 16, but I'm going to go ahead and show you it like this. 16 divided by 4 is 4. So I know the length of this one is 4 and the length of this one is 20. And then I'm going to go back to the question, which said, find the sum of the two unknown lengths. So I'm just going to add those lengths together. And I get 24, and I see that it's centimeters.